Welcome guys to GK DIY Crafters. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to show you how I did this shaggy mat for the bathroom, and it's very simple. I used the baby yarn, which was 100 milligrams. I used a 3.5 hook and this material, which is tapestry canvas. And it's a very simple step, very easy to do, and I'll show you step by step. So I started on the second row of the canvas, and I started by doing a single crochet all round to make the border for the canvas. So just do single crochet, repeat up to the end, but at the corners we will do 3 single crochet to make the corner. To end the corner, you yarn over and then pull through, then you cut your yarn, and you're going to hide your yarn, your extra yarn. So you begin by inserting your hook. Don't insert your hook near the border, but on the second row to that. So insert your hook, you bind it with a small yarn, and then you insert your hook again, and now keep pulling up. You pull up, insert your hook, and pull over. Insert, pull. About 2 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter, according to your desired length you want. So continue inserting and pulling your loop. After few loops, you're going to tie your yarn and then use scissors to cut. And you're going to repeat the process up to the end. And because mine, I did not change the color, I changed my color in the middle of the canvas. So you just repeat up to the where you want to change your yarn if you're using different yarn colors.